If you've watched YouTube videos about making money with Pinterest, you've probably heard people say, just upload a few pins and you'll start earning within a week. The truth is, that's simply not how it works. First, let's clear up one important fact. Pinterest does not pay creators directly. It's not like YouTube or TikTok. Pinterest is a visual search engine where people search for fashion, home decor, recipes, products, and ideas. The biggest advantage is that most users come to Pinterest with buying intent, meaning they're already looking for something to purchase or use. So, how do people actually make money? The first method is affiliate marketing. You create photo or video pins featuring products and attach your affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. But here's the reality. Don't expect instant results. It usually takes 2 to 6 months of consistent posting before you start seeing meaningful income. The second method is selling digital products. You can create digital products like PDF guides, workout plans, diet plans, planners, or Notion templates. Once the product is created, you can sell it over and over again without making it again. Your first sale may still take several months. The third method is driving traffic to your Shopify or e-commerce store. If you own an online store, Pinterest can become a powerful source of free traffic. Since users are already searching with buying intent, they're more likely to click through and purchase compared to many other social platforms. Now, here's the biggest reality check. Pinterest is not a get-rich-quick platform. Success comes from creating high-quality pins, understanding Pinterest SEO, and posting consistently over time. If you think you'll create an account today and start earning tomorrow, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're willing to stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, Pinterest can become a reliable, long-term source of income. Focus on providing value, stay consistent, and let the traffic grow naturally. That's how successful Pinterest creators build sustainable income.